Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on posting to Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Sharing your photos and experiences is an integral part of the Instagram experience. Follow the steps to learn how to post to Instagram. Open Instagram and swipe from left to right or tap the plus at the bottom to get to the posting screen. Now select a photo or video from your camera roll. If you would like to select multiple photos or videos, tap the multiple squares icon to the bottom right of the photo. You can now select multiple photos or videos to post. They are numbered in the order that they will appear. You can select up to 10 photos or videos per post. When you have selected them, tap Next. Tap the music note in the top right corner to choose music to add to your post. Here you can choose from many different songs. You can search for a song at the top and can preview the songs by tapping the play button to the right. Tap a song to select it. You can slide the bar to select which portion of the song you would like to play. The pink dots are the most chosen section. You can tap 30 to the left of the bar to change the clip duration. Tap Done when you are happy with your music. Here you can add a filter to your images. You can tap Reorder in the bottom left to reorder your images or videos. Hold down and drag them to reorder them. Tap Next. Here you can add a caption or poll. You can tag people in your post, change the music, and add a location. If you tap Advanced Settings at the bottom, you can choose to hide likes and view counts on your post, turn off comments, post to threads, and write text for visually impaired people to view your post. Tap Share to share your post. Once posted, you can tap the 3 dots in the top right of the post to edit it. Here you can hide the like count, turn off commenting, create a reel from the post, pin it to your profile, and share it to Facebook. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.